हाँ। रमेश महोदय।
महोदय not prepared for today.
Not prepared. अस्तु अस्तु, गायत्री महोदय भवती करोति वा?
Harsha is ready actually.
अस्तु, हर्षा महोदय भवती।
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनि सूत्रकारंश्च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयं पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्।
धन्यवादाः महोदय।
नमस्ते महोदय। नमस्ते सर्वेभ्यः।
दृश्यते वा?
आं महोदय दृश्यते।
एतत् सर्वं सम्यक् अवगतम् इति मन्ये। परस्मैपदी, आत्मनेपदी, उभयपदी इति। अत्र पुनः अभ्यासम् आवश्यकं वा? अस्तु, इदानीं सः पठति, अहं पठामि। सः पठति, अहं पठामि। त्वं पठसि, त्वं पठसि। सा वदति, अहं वदामि। त्वं वदसि। छात्रा लिखति, अहं लिखामि। त्वं लिखसि। You read, you speak, you write. एवं। त्वं पठसि एकवचने, युवां पठथः, यूयं पठथ। त्वं वदसि, युवां वदथः, यूयं वदथ। त्वं लिखसि, युवां लिखथः, यूयं लिखथ। त्वं युवां यूयम्। अवगतम्? इदानीं अमी महोदये एकं वाक्यं वदतु।
Vakyam with these words, Mahoday. Okay, but is it in with Madhyam Purush?
Am.
Okay. त्वं पाठं पठसि युवां पाठं पठथ and यूयं
पठथः
युवां पाठं पठथ यूयं पाठं पठथ
गायत्री महोदय
त्वं केन सह वदसि युवां शिक्षकेन वदतः
शिक्षकेन सह शिक्षकेन सह
ओके युवां शिक्षकेन सह वदतः यूयं मित्राणि सह वदथ
हर्ष महोदय हरप्रसाद महोदय अस्ति वा
आम्
महोदय वदतु
please let me know what all we are doing the Madhyama Purusha. I'll just pass for a couple of minutes.
Astu Mahoday.
Let's proceed.
Harsha Mahoday.
त्वं गृहकार्यं लिखसि युवां गृहकार्यं लिखथः यूयं गृहकार्यं लिखथ
कार्तिक महोदय वा
I can go ahead, ma'am.
आम् महोदय
Okay. Tvam khadasi tvam
rotika
khadasi rotika. Dvivachana is tvam yuvam rotikam kadataha yuvam rotikam kadata धन्यवादः
कार्तिक महोदय वा
I will speak.
महोदय अस्ति
अस्तु
त्वं पायसं पिबसि युवां पायसं पिबथः यूयं पायसं पिबथ
कल्पना महोदय
त्वं विद्यालयं गच्छसि युवां कार्यालयं गच्छतः यूयं गृहं गच्छत
कार्तिक महोदय
भवत्या दातुं पीपीटी बहु सम्यक् आसीत् महोदय
तद् उमा भगिन्याः तत्र केचन दोषाः सन्ति
केचन
तत् समीकर्तुं मम समयः न मिलति
परीक्षा अपि बहु सरलमेव आसीत्
अभवत् वा
आम् महोदय
कदा
परह्यः
वा अस्तु अस्तु अहं चिन्तितवती इदानीमेव भविष्यति आगामि रविवासरे इति चिन्तितवती
न अन्य सर्वत्र 8मे दिनाङ्के भविष्यति दक्षिणतमिळ्नाडु प्रान्ते कृतवन्तः
एवं वा किन्तु भवान् बेङ्गळूरुनगरे वसति किल
आम् यद्यपि बेङ्गळूरुनगरे वसामि आशासेवाकेन्द्रस्य पञ्जीकरणं अस्तु महोदय त्वम् अत्र एव असि वा युवां तत्र एव स्तः यूयं अन्यत्र स्त
अग्रे माधवी महोदय वा?
One second. Okay. Tvam phalam khadasi.
त्वं फलं खादसि.
Khadasi. Yuvam phalam khadatha. Khadatha. Yuyam phalam khadatha.
निर्मल महोदय अस्ति वा?
आमां त्वं ग्रामं गच्छसि युवां ग्रामं गच्छतः यूयं ग्रामं गच्छथ.
प्रीति महोदय?
त्वं पाठं पठसि युवां पाठं पठतः यूयं पाठं पठत.
प्रिया महोदय?
त्वं सत्यमेव वदसि युवां सत्यमेव वदतः यूयं सत्यमेव वदथ.
त्वं बालकः असि. अस् धातुः.
Can I ask a question, ma'am? In the previous slide,
महोदय,
what is pa dhatu for what?
पिबति. पिबसि. पा धातुः पिबति. पिबति
Pa for puberty. Okay.
पिबति पिबतः पिबन्ति पिबसि पिबथः पिबत
पिबसि पिबतः पिबतः पिबतः
पिबथ. पिबामि
पिबाव पिबामः
Pibavah, pibamah.
पिबामः.
इदानीम् अस् धातुः. त्वं बालकः असि युवां महिले स्थः यूयं वैद्याः स्थ.
Okay.
इदानीम् अत्र एकैकं वाक्यं कर्तुं शक्यते वा? रमेश महोदय?
त्वं वैद्यः असि युवां महिले स्तः यूयम् अर्चकाः स्तः यूयम् अर्चका स्त.
रीटा महोदय?
त्वं छात्रः असि युवां मम मित्रे स्तः यूयं शिक्षकः स्त.
शिक्षकाः
स्त.
सुंदरी महोदय नास्ति. योगेश महोदय?
त्वं ब्रह्म असि युवां बालकौ स्तः यूयं अध्यापकाः स्थ.
अध्यापकाः स्थ. अमी महोदय?
त्वं जननी असि युवां नर्तक्यौ स्तः यूयं अध्यापिकाः स्तः.
गायत्री महोदय?
त्वं शिक्षिका असि युवा गायिके तः यूयं बालिकाः स्त.
हर्ष महोदय? हरप्रसाद महोदय?
त्वं वैज्ञानिकः असि युवां वैज्ञानिकौ स्तः यूयं वैज्ञानिकाः स्तः।
हर्ष महोदय।
त्वं तन्त्रज्ञ असि।
तन्त्रज्ञः असि।
त्वं तन्त्रज्ञः असि। युवां नर्तक्यो स्तः। यूयं ग्रन्थपालकाः स्तः।
हिना महोदय।
त्वं शिक्षिका असि। युवां पाचिके स्तः। यूयं जनन्यः स्तः।
कल्पना महोदय।
त्वं चेष्टालु असि।
चेष्टालुः वा?
चेष्टालु। चेष्टालु।
चेष्टालुः वा?
And what चेष्टालु? No. युवां शिक्षकौ स्तः। यूयं क्रीडालुः स्तः।
What is ज्येष्ठालु?
अत्र यूयं किम् उक्तवती?
क्रीडालुः प्लेयर्स्। क्रीडालुः।
क्रीडालुः इति एकवचनं किल?
क्रीडालु वा? क्रीडालु।
क्रीडालुः, क्रीडालु, क्रीडालवः।
क्रीडालवः। यूयं क्रीडालवः स्तः।
तत्रापि त्वं चेष्टालुः असि।
ओके, चेष्टालुः असि।
चेष्टालवः इति बहुवचनं।
धन्यवादः
महोदय। हरप्रसाद महोदय किं पृष्टवान्? कार्तिक महोदय।
त्वमिन्द्र रुद्रेन्द्र मरुतः गायन्ति यं सामगाः। कृष्णस्य कृतम्। अस्तु। युवां वृक्षौ स्तः। यूयं रक्षकाः स्तः।
माधवी महोदय। माधवी महोदय नास्ति वा?
Sorry, I'm talking on mute. Sorry. त्वं कविः असि। युवां ऋषयौ स्तः।
ऋषिः ऋषि।
ऋषि sorry. युवां ऋषयः। यूयं गुरवः स्तः।
निर्मल महोदय।
त्वं क्रीडकः असि। युवां कृषकौ स्तः। यूयं यान्त्रिकः स्तः। यान्त्रिकाः स्तः।
प्रीति महोदय।
त्वं तरुणः असि। युवां वृद्धौ स्तः। यूयं शिशवः स्तः।
प्रिया महोदय।
त्वम् आकर्षकः शिशवः असि। शिशुः असि। युवाम् आकर्षकः शिशुः स्तः। यूयम् आकर्षकः शिशवः स्तः।
आकर्षकः आकर्षकौ शिशु। आकर्षकाः शिशवः। तत्र whatever adjective you are using, that should correspond to the vachana.
आम् महोदय।
Is that always the rule,
आम्
Mahoday?
महोदय, आम् महोदय।
Thank you.
इदानीम् अत्र भवान् पठति, भवन्तौ पठतः, भवन्तः पठन्ति, भवती लिखति, भवत्यौ लिखतः, भवत्यः लिखन्ति. Here also you read, you write एवम् अस्ति. किन्तु भवत् शब्दः प्रथमपुरुष पुरुषमिव तस्य उपयोगं करणीयम्. That is the rule. युष्मत् शब्दः तु मध्यमपुरुषः भवति.
Madam, one question I have. Ekam prasnam. In Hindi, for example, you have tum and aap. In English, we always say you only. So in Sanskrit, is there any equivalent of aap, or is it like bhavan is like aap, or
bhavan?
Okay. So if we are supposed to, if suppose I am talking to you, I am supposed to use bhavati only, right? Not tvam, right?
Tvam api upayoktum shakyate.
Tatra in Hindi, for example, for shikshaka, we will not say tum. So in Sanskrit, it's okay. It's not disrespectful to say tvam, right?
Tvam upayoktum shakyate. Kintu, if you want to use with respect, if you want to speak, then it's always better you use bhavan or bhavati.
Bhavati, okay.
Similar to Hindi.
For example, in Hindi you will never say tum for a shikshak.
It is always aap.
It's always aap. Yes. So in Sanskrit, there's both can be used. Is that right, or?
When
not from grammatically it is right, but from point of view of what it is right to use. What is right to
when you read these shlokas, many times they are addressing tvam to God. So it doesn't mean
that is there in Hindi also. Like God is different. God and mother, they still say tum also. That is okay.
But always it is better to use bhavan or bhavati.
Okay, thank you.
To elders or teachers or some gurus, whoever.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Atra कविताः अपि तत्र कालिदास त्वमेव राजानः अपि त्वमेव वदति.
Yes. आम्. तत्र दोषः इति नास्ति, किन्तु यदि वयं भवान् भवति इति तस्य उपयोगं कुर्मः तदा सम्यक् भविष्यति.
स्थानम् उत्तमं भविष्यति.
See, Kartik Mahoday, that way in Hindi also, for God, for mother, for king, you can use tu. Prabhu, you can use tu. That is more showing that you are so close to them. So there the respect part is not like not.
Tumi ho mata, tumi ho pita. Some song is there, no?
Yeah. No, what you say is true, Mahoday, but even on a very formal conversations, even for Adhyapaka, Shiksha, Guru and all, Kalidasa has used tvam. That's the only.
That's what I told.
Yeah, correct. But I'm saying in Hindi also you can use, but that is when the importance is more for your closeness, like to your mother, then you can use even tvam. But when it is the respect is on the is the real issue there, then you don't use tvam.
No, even in formal context.
Yeah, formal only. I'm not saying formal or informal. In either communication,
if respectful, let's say when you're meeting the Guru for the first time, even then there are times when Kalidasa and others have used tvam. That's all.
Okay.
So actually, this Shatavadhani Ganesh Mahodaya, he is conducting one Avadhani Shiksha whoever is interested can register by paying 1,000 rupees. I had forwarded that link also in Signal group. I don't know how many of you saw that.
I didn't see that.
In that Signal group.
बहु सम्यक् अस्ति.
Tatra they will, I inquired also. Of course, at my age, I may not learn much, but I thought I should try. So I have registered, and one of my friends spoke to them. They said it will be a tough one. They will be giving a lot of homework. We have to work on that. And then to a certain extent, we should know this Sandhi Samasa, all those things. Then it would be easier. Because I wanted, one of my students is there. She's in 8th standard. She's very sharp. I thought it may be of great use to such kids. But they said, no, she's yet to learn these samasas and all those things. So she can't join. Anyhow, those of you who are interested, who can work some more, they can join that class. Astu.
They expect quite a bit of Vyakarna, Mahodaya, there.
Mahodaya, what is that class about? Like, what is it?
Avadhanam ityukte tatra they will be they will have to answer. Some 8 people will be sitting. Avadhanam has Ashtavadhanam, Shatavadhanam, Sahasravadhanam. Like that, in those days they used to do. Nowadays, we don't have many such scholars. Okay, so they will be asked questions from various topics. It may be science, it may be maths, it may be English, it may be
Movies,
art.
or movies, unrelated topics. Yeah.
All unrelated topics. And they will have to remember all the questions and answer. Here we have very few scholars like Shatavadhani Ganesh and one more from Andhra. I don't remember his name.
Andhra,
right?
3 or 4 are there, Mahodaya.
Oh, yeah. In Andhra, there are 4 of them.
So now they are training many students actually.
Yes.
So recently this message had come. So I thought at this age it's difficult to learn so many things, but I should try. I should never give up. That's the policy I have. So I registered because it needs a lot of memory, and memory is a huge issue for me. Anyhow,
but this is going to be in Sanskrit, Mahodaya. Okay. Yeah, that will be it's a challenge.
Yeah, it's a challenge actually, but definitely if younger people are there, they can
train them. Yeah. I watched
Shatavadhani Ganesh did his first Avadhana when he was 18.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Today, the recent one is a Telugu Avadhana in somebody from the US. He's done it.
Yes.
10.
Yes. He's very good. I watched his Astavadhana. He's actually he was brought up here in US. But he's doing
what is his name?
I had to check the name. But he's doing an amazing job. And there is also one lady, a woman doing the Avadhanam in Andhra. So normally women.
No. Earlier days they used to even women were
recent times.
All
Not
these
in the
developments of only women cannot do all these things came later because of foreign invasion. They had to protect women.
Correct.
So in that protection mode, they were sidelined actually.
They abused it. Yeah,
Yeah.
they abused
A
it.
lot of women also used to do this dance-based avadhana also.
Yes, yes, yes.
The full days night, which was very popular in Kuchipudi and this Odia, this one.
Yes,
Odissi.
Not only avadhanam, actually these chess players also. Blindfolded, they used to remember all the 7 boards or 8 boards. All the moves they will remember, and blindfolded they used to play.
Yes.
Isn't it?
इदानीमपि विश्वनाथानन्द करिष्यति चतुर्षष्टिः कृतवान् 64.
एवं वा?
आम् महोदय 64 blindfolded chess. This one he has beaten.
That's why it needs concentration. That's all. अस्तु, अग्रे पठामः.
Mahoday, his name is Lalit Aditya.
Lalitaditya va?
Lalit Aditya is from US.
पश्यामि तत्र Google मध्ये.
बहु सम्यक् अस्ति तस्य.
See, all these, what happens if we keep on trying now, maybe next birth we may have a better chance. That's what I feel.
Better what?
I have
Better
a
chance
for next birth.
Yes, these are steps for the betterment actually. So we should keep on trying to learn all good things.
Yeah.
We should keep on working towards that.
Yeah.
सावधानी गणेशः एकवारं 26 अक्षराणि निषेधः कृत्वा पद्यां रचितवान्. भारतीतीर्थ शृङ्गेरेः भारतीतीर्थः दत्तवान्. He asked him, I'll make 26 alphabets as nisheda. You can't use them.
Yeah.
You have to construct a poetry in a metric poem, poem in a metric form. That is, it has to have the rules of how many letters can be laid, just like Anushtup Chandas or this one. In 64, that is the Chandas. I forgot that Chandas. Lalita. This one.
Are there padyams like in Telugu? There are padyams, right? Are there padyams in other languages? Like
Yes.
Tamil too?
Yeah, all the languages. Tamil has a different vyakaranam, I think, but all the remaining languages, they are almost similar. They have all this chandas.
Swam patam patasi. Is it my turn?
न महोदय, इदानीं रमेश महोदय.
Oh, Ramesh, I'm sorry. Yeah.
अबोध महोदय. त्वं अबोध
न अत्र परिवर्तनं करोतु 3 वचनेषु.
I didn't get it, Mother. Please. I'll do later.
Rita Mahoday.
Mother. Tvam patham pathasi. Yuvam pathav. Shall I say pathav?
Patham eva samyak.
Patham eva. Yuvam patham pathatha. Yuyam patham pathath. Bhavan patham pathati. Bhavantau patham pathatah. Bhavantah patham pathanti.
Mast.
Bhavati also.
न अग्रे योगेश महोदय।
भवती विद्यालयं गच्छति। भवत्यो विद्यालयं गच्छत। भवत्याः विद्यालयं गच्छन्ति। त्वं विद्यालयं गच्छसि। युवां विद्यालयं गच्छथ। यूयं विद्यालयं गच्छथ।
अमी महोदय।
त्वं गीतं शृणोसि। युवां गीतं शृणोथः। Sorry.
वदतु।
यूयं गीतं शृणोथ। शृणुथ। भवान् गीतं शृणोति। भवन्तौ गीतं शृणोथः।
शृणोति
शृणोथः।
थः वा?
पठन्ति। Isn't that correct?
तत्र महाप्राणम् अस्ति वा अल्पप्राणम् अस्ति वा?
शृणुतः। Okay. And भवन्तः गीतं शृण्वन्ति। Sorry.
अत्र भवती इति दत्तमस्ति। भवती भवत्यौ भवत्यः। अस्तु।
I have a Mahoday. When you say tvam, is it pullinga or strilinga? Can you use both?
Mahoday.
Okay.
Shall I do it, Mahoday?
Gayatri Mahoday. Ramesh
Mahoday. Bhavan danam dadati. Bhavantau danam dadmau.
Dadatah va?
Dadatah. Bhavantah danam datta. Dadati. Tvam danam dadasi. Yuvam danam. Yuvam danam dadvaha. Yuvam.
No.
Dadavaha.
No.
Dadata.
Dadata. Dadataha. Yuyam danam datta.
Dadatha va?
Dadatha.
Go to Ashtadhyayi and confirm whether your answer is correct or not.
Mahodaya, Atmanepadi and Parasmepadi confusion.
Atra dadati iti dattam kila.
Mahodaya is mixing both. Atmanepadi because we did that recently.
Evam va. Atra dadati iti dattam asti. Atah parasmaipadi eva.
Parasmaipadi. Astu Mahoday.
अस्तु गायत्री महोदय।
महोदय एकः प्रश्नः। You said Ashtadhyayi. Have we covered that? How to do that? How to look?
Actually, in this class, we have not done. If you want, maybe next class. I thought everybody knows. That's why I didn't. If you need,
I don't know who knows. I don't know who knows, but I don't. And
Oh.
there is some homework exercises. They say look at Ashtadhyayi to get the dhatu.
Oh, evam va.
I don't know how to do that.
We have to watch both the videos, morning batch and evening batch. So evening
What?
batch.
Evening batch.
Evening batch they taught.
They have Bhanu Mahodaya has done that. So if you want, we can do it in the next class. Otherwise, if you can watch that video and practice, then no problem.
Yeah.
Okay, I will do that. I will do that. Okay.
Agre. Lrit lakarah madhyama purushe.
Sorry, can we go back to the previous slide, please? So, dadati, bhavan dadati, bhavantam dadataha, bhavantaha.
Dadati. Dadati.
Oh, dadati. That is because of, okay, thank you.
Astu. Idanim lrit lakarah madhyama purusha. Tvam patishyasi. Yuvam patishyatha. Yuyam patishyatha. Tvam vadishyasi. Yuvam vadishyatha. Yuyam vadishyatha. Tvam lekhishyasi. Yuvam lekhishyatha. Yuyam lekhishyatha. Idanim Haraprasad. Gayatri Mahoday. Gayatri Mahoday.
Tvam patam patishyasi. Tvam Samskrita yuvam Samskrita patam patishyatah. Yuyam Samskrita patam patishyatha.
Haraprasad.
What? Tvam Tvam Vedam Patishyati esi.
Vad dhatu Mahoday.
Huh?
Vad
dhatu. Vad dhatu. Yeah, vadishyati. Vadishyasi. Yuvam Vedam Vadishyatha. Yuyam Vedan Vadishyatha. Can I ask a question? May I ask a question, please? In the last class, in one of the slides, you show that no, maybe it is O plus, I don't have it. O plus E is Shakara? Does it result in Shakara?
I didn't understand. Maya na avagatam. Bhavatah prashnah kaha iti.
Okay, let's proceed. I will get it. Yeah.
Agre Harsha Mahoday.
Tvam abhyasam lekhishyasi. Yuvam abhyasam lekhishyatah. Yuyam abhyasam lekhishyatha.
I will see. Tvam bhojanam khadishyasi. Yuvam भोजनं खादिष्यतः यूयं भोजनं खादिष्यथ
त्वं जलं पास्यसि युवां फलरसं पास्यतः यूयं जलं पास्यथ
कं धातुः भविष्यत्काले त्वं वाहनेन मन्दिरं गच्छसि गमिष्यसि त्वं वाहनेन मन्दिरं गमिष्यसि युवा विमानेन देहलीं गमिष्यतः यूयं कुत्रापि न गमिष्यथ
माधवी महोदय
अस्थातु त्वं ग्रामेण भविष्यसि ग्रामे भविष्यसि युवां मन्दिरे भविष्यतः यूयं विद्यालये भविष्यथ
अग्रे निर्मल महोदय अन्यत् किमपि प्रयत्नं करोतु किमपि धातुम् उपयुज्य
त्वं गानं गास्यसि
वा
गास्यसि युवां गानं गास्यथः यूयं गानं गास्यथ
तत्र गीतं गास्यसि एवं वक्तव्यम्
ओके गीतं त्वं गीतं गास्
न श्रूयते महोदय
यूयां गीतं गास्यथः
अस्तु प्रीति महोदय
आं महोदय त्वं शीघ्रं धाविष्यसि युवां शीघ्रं धाविष्यतः यूयं शीघ्रं धाविष्यथ
प्रिया महोदय
त्वं उद्याने क्रीडिष्यसि युवां उद्याने क्रीडिष्यतः यूयं उद्याने क्रीडिष्यत
रमेश महोदय
गृहम् आगमिष्यसि यूयं गृहम् आगमिष्यतः यूयं गृहम् आगमिष्यथ
रीटा महोदय
त्वं मित्रं मेलिष्यसि युवां मित्रं मेलिष्यथः यूयं मित्रं मेलिष्यथ
योगेश महोदय
त्वं लेखनीम् आनिष्यसि युवां लेखनीम् आनिष्यथः
आने it should be heard well
आनिष्यथः यूयं लेखनीम् आनिष्यथ
तत्र लेखनीम् इति ईकारं it should be heard well अस्तु अमी महोदय
before we proceed, this is the question I wanted to ask you. In the last class, let's take the dhatu pat. In one of the slides you showed pat plus a plus anti. You showed it as patanti. Okay. But I thought the rule was a plus a is a, dirgha a. Then if that is the case, why it is not patanti?
तत्र केचन प्रक्रिया भविष्यति.
What?
हीना महोदय कृपया म्यूट करोतु. There are some prakriyas. Actually, all these words like Ramaha is there. Suppose Ramaha. Ram plus plus Visarga.
Correct.
So what happens is there are some prakriyas how you derive at Ramaha. Many sutras are applied. Some of the aksharas will be like subtracted. Some aksharas will be added like that.
Yes. Okay.
So patanti also, there also some prakriya is going on. After that, final end product we have patanti.
So really then in this case it is a plus a is equal to a.
Yes. That prakriya I can show you in the next class. Sometime brief how it is derived at.
Yeah.
For that you have to learn so many Panini sutras, which is not required at this level.
I see.
But just for the feel of it, I can show you how it is arrived at.
Yeah, and also pat plus e plus syati sakara is patishyati. So I wanted to understand why e plus sa became shakara.
Yes. There are sutras for that.
I see.
I'll along with those sutras I can show you in the next class.
Okay. Dhanyavadaha Mahoday.
Agre kaha?
Ami Mahoday.
Take the sentence.
Okay. Tvam patham likhishyasi. Yuvam patham likhishyatha. Yuvam patham likhishyatha.
Yuyam patham lekhishyatha.
Patham lekhishyatha.
Tatra dvivachane lekhishyatha. That visargam is very important.
Yes.
Gayatri Mahoday.
Bhavati gramam gacchati bhavantau.
Tatra bhavishyat kala.
Okay. Bhavati gramam gamishyati bhavatyau gramam gamishyatah bhavatyah sorry bhavatyah
bhavati bhavatyau
bhavatyah gramam gamishyanti.
Okay. Haraprasad. Tvam bhavan jalam pibasi.
Bhavan ityukte pibas atra bhavishyat kalah atah pibati tasya bhavishyat kalah kim bhavishyati?
Pibishyati?
Pasyati.
pasyate. Bhavan jalam pasyasi. Pasyasi.
No. Madhyama Purusha nasti. Bhavan, whenever you use Bhavan, it
That
will
is
be
what?
in Prathama Purusha only.
Okay. Okay. Then it is Bhavan jalam pasyati. Okay. Is it Bhavantau? Bhavantau jalam pasyati pasyataha. Bhavantaha jalam pasyatha.
Prathama Purusha kim bhavati Mahodaya?
Anti pasyanti.
Bhavantah jalam pasyanti. Harsha Mahodaya.
Tvam phalam khadishyasi. Yuvam phalam khadishyatha. Yuyam phalam khadishyatha.
Hina Mahodaya.
Bhavati satyam vadati vadishyati. Bhavatyau satyam vadishyatah. Bhavatyah satyam vadishyanti.
Kalpana Mahodaya.
From here I can say other words.
Any words you can say.
Tvam kridangane dhavishyasi. Yuvam kridangane dhavishyatah. Yuyam kridangane dhavishyatha.
Kartik Mahodaya.
अत्र अभवत् मन्ये किञ्चित् अन्य कर्तुं शक्यते वा?
अस्तु महोदय.
अस्तु. ओके. त्वम् उद्याने क्रीडिष्यतु. अस्तु. लोट्लकारे मास्तु. ओके. त्वम् उद्याने क्रीडिष्यसि. युवाम् उद्याने क्रीडिष्यतः. यूयम् उद्याने क्रीडिष्यथ.
माधवी महोदय.
भवती वनं गमिष्यति. भवत्यौ वनं गमिष्यतः. भवत्यः वनं गमिष्यन्ति.
निर्मल महोदय.
भवान् गृह कार्यं करिष्यति. भवन्तः गृह कार्यं करिष्यतः. भवन्तः गृह कार्यं करिष्यन्ति.
प्रीति महोदय.
त्वं मित्रं मेलिष्यति. मेलिष्यसि. युवां मित्रे मेलिष्यथः. यूयं मित्राणि मेलिष्यथ.
प्रिया महोदय.
त्वं लोकयानेन कार्यालयं गमिष्यसि. युवां लोकयानेन कार्यालयं गमिष्यतः. यूयं लोकयानेन कार्यालयं गमिष्यथ.
रमेश महोदय.
त्वं पाठं पठिष्यसि. युवां पाठं पठिष्यतः. यूयं पाठं पठिष्यथ.
रीटा महोदय.
त्वं ग्रामतः आगमिष्यसि युवां ग्रामतः आगमिष्यथः यूयं ग्रामतः आगमिष्यथ।
योगेश महोदय।
भवान् सत्यं वदिष्यति भवन्तौ सत्यं वदिष्यतः भवन्तः सत्यं वदिष्यन्ति।
अस्तु, इदानीम् अव्ययानि सदृशम् अव्ययानि जानन्ति किल सर्वे?
No, no.
Indeclinables इति उच्यन्ते किल?
No, we have not done it.
तत्र यदा तदा एतत् सर्वं कृतं किल? यदि तर्हि
Which forms cannot change.
सदृशं त्रिषु लिङ्गेषु सर्वासु विभक्तिषु वचनेषु च सर्वेषु यत् न व्ययति तत् अव्ययम्। त्रिषु लिङ्गेषु समानमेव, सर्वासु विभक्तिषु अपि समानमेव, सर्वेषु वचनेषु च तत्रापि तस्य अन्यरूपाणि न भवन्ति। यद् न व्ययति तत् अव्ययम्।
Can you teach in English?
त्रिषु लिङ्गेषु,
In 3 lingas.
सर्वासु विभक्तिषु,
In all the vibhaktis.
सर्वेषु वचनेषु,
In all the vachana.
यत् न व्ययति.
There is no difference.
That which doesn't change. Tadavyayam. That which doesn't change its form in all the 3 lingas, in all the vibhaktis, in all the vachanas. That is avyayam.
So still it is a namapada.
No. That is avyayam eva. Namapadam nasti. Avyayam.
Avyayam. But is avyayam is a namapada?
No.
I'm asking a question.
No.
No, I see. Okay.
It's a separate entity.
It's a separate entity. Okay, got it. Dhanyavada.
It is like atra tatra, no? Like, yeah.
Yes. Atra koshtake bahuni avyayani dattani.
Okay.
What you have to do is choose whichever avyayam you want to use and frame sentences.
Frame sentences. Okay. All right.
Ami Mahodaye.
Okay, I will try to attempt. Mahabharatam Ramayana Purvatra. Does that make sense?
Mahabharatam Ramayanat Purvatra iti tatra vakyam sampurnam na abhavat kila.
So what I'm trying to say is this one came before that one. Or Ramayanam
Mahabharatat
Purvam Bhavati.
Asit iti vaktum shakyate va?
Abhavat.
Purvam abhavat. Astu. Gayatri Mahodaye.
जननी शिशुः जागृतयाः अस्ति इति वदति।
पुनः
जननी शिशु Wait. Okay. शिक्षकः छात्रौ शीघ्रम् अभ्यासं लिखतु इति वदति.
हरप्रसाद. श्वः अहं रामकृष्ण मंदिरं गमिष्यामि. What else? What else is required, ma'am?
न तत्र श्वः अत्र दत्तमस्ति किल, श्वः इति. तस्य श्वः श्वहौ श्वः इति भवति वा? न भवति किल. श्वः tomorrow, that's all.
Yeah.
It cannot change. हर्षा महोदय.
त्वं प्रातःकाले उत्तिष्ठसि. युवां प्रातःकाले उत्तिष्ठतः. यूयं प्रातःकाले उत्तिष्ठत.
But where is the avyaya in this sentence?
Pratah. Pratah.
Oh,
we have to use from here avyaya.
That pratah has not changed in all the three sentences.
Oh, I see. Okay.
It has stayed.
Okay.
As it is. Agree. Hina Mahoday.
विद्यालयं वामतः उद्यानम् अस्ति.
वामतः उद्यानम् अस्ति.
सा मन्दं धावति. That is okay.
Kalpana Mahoday.
Ma'am, how do you determine what is avyaya and what is not?
No, these things are all given to us by Vyakaran, all these great scholars. So we should know, we should understand which is an avyaya and practice them. That's all.
So there is no rule to say this is avyaya and this is not an avyaya. It is just by knowing.
No. See, some actually some of the avyayas come. They say kridanta avyaya, like that. Some of the avyayas are formed with kridantas also. So with practice you will know.
I see. Okay.
Initially you know this much. Then later on, when you work on grammar, you will know like.
I see. Okay. धन्यवादः.
कल्पना महोदय वा?
भक्तः सर्वत्र मन्दिरे देवं नमति. भक्तौ सर्वत्र मन्दिरे देवं नमत.
एकनिमिषं महोदय. तत्र सर्वत्र you are using. पुनः मन्दिरे you are using.
Okay. भक्तः सर्वत्र देवं नमति. भक्तौ सर्वत्र देवं नमथ.
नमतः वा?
नमतः.
नमति नमतः.
नमथ.
न तत्र भक्तः you are using. That is prathama purusha.
नमति.
नमति
नमत. नमथ. भक्तौ नमथ.
Only namatha, namatha when will that come? When you use madhyama purusha. Tvam, yuvam, yuyam. But you are saying bhaktah. Then what will you get? Prathama Purusha Kriyapada only you should use, no?
I forgot.
Namati namatah namanti.
Bhaktaah devam sarvatra devam namanti.
Kartik Mahodaya.
Haripriya Mahoday, there are words that I don't even know the meaning of. So would it be okay if we kind of just went through those words so then we know how to use them in our sentence?
Yeah. Later on you can learn. You can check in the dictionary to know the meaning. Kartik Mahodaya.
करिष्यामि वा अन्तर्बहिश्च तत्सर्वं व्याप्य नारायण स्थितः
अन्तः बहिः
बहिः च त्वं झटिति मित्रेण सह अत्र आगच्छ झटिति सह यथा आम्रफलं भविष्यति तथा डालिम्बं फलं न भविष्यति
यथा तथा
शनैः शनैरुपरमेत् मनसि गृहीत्वा आगच्छ अस्तु
माधवी महोदये
अद्य सोमवारः अस्ति
सोमवासरः
अस्ति श्वः मंगलवासरः अस्ति
श्वः मंगलवासरः भविष्यति किल
भविष्यति that's what I was thinking. I'm saying something wrong. And what is jaggery called in Sanskrit?
Gudam.
I was going to say gudam vina payasam madhuram nasti.
You can say that again.
बहु उत्तमम् मधुरं खादितुम् इच्छामि अद्य
Oh yeah.
गुडं विना पायसं मधुरं नास्ति. निर्मल महोदय.
ओके. पृच्छति शिक्षकः शिक्षिकः प्रश्नं यदा यदा उत्तरं न जानामि अहं तदा तदा. कार्तिक महोदय उत्तर जानति सदा
सर्वदा
कतिपय मित्राणि जानन्ति एकदा.
उपयोगं करोतु संस्कृतं सम्यक् जानिष्यति
बहु सम्यक् महोदय. प्रीति महोदय.
भवान् खादतु परन्तु मा वदतु. परन्तु इस् अव्यय. अहं बालकेन सह गच्छामि. सः श्वः विरामः भविष्यति अतः कक्षा न भविष्यति.
प्रिया महोदय.
शिष्यः गुरवः समानं भवति इति गुरुः इच्छति. इति इस् द अव्ययम्.
गुरवः समानम् इति नास्ति तत्र.
गुरुः समानं.
गुरोः समानम् इति किल.
गुरोः समानं. Okay. Like what I meant to say is Guru likes the Shishya to be like him, like to get transformed like him.
That's
what I meant to say. Shishyah Guroh Samanam Bhavati Iti Guruhu Ichchati.
Bhavatu iti Guruhu Ichchati.
Bhavatu iti Guruhu Ichchati.
Tatra iti avyayam. रमेश महोदय.
इतस्ततः किमर्थं महोदय?
Itaha, from here. Tataha, there. Itaha, tataha. From here to there.
Oh.
Kolahalam, kolahalam, alam.
Alam, alam, kolahalena.
Alam kolahalena. Satyameva vadatu.
Satyam eva vadatu. Satyam rutam tasya bhedaha asti va? Kaha bhedaha?
Rutam is more powerful.
Then Satyam is not powerful, huh?
No, Satyam is powerful, but Rutam is more.
What is the difference between Satyam and Rutam?
The way I understand is Rutam is more.
See, Satyam is also truth. Rutam is also
more,
truth. Huh?
Yeah.
Character, right?
More
character.
Impressive, something like that. More stronger.
So I want a proper answer for that. I am searching for that.
No, I don't know.
Astu, Rita Mahodaye.
Please tell us. Please tell us what is the difference.
No, I don't know. I am searching for the answer.
Oh, I see.
Suddenly somebody said no. Satyam vada something they said. No?
Yeah,
Satyameva vadatu.
Yeah.
Satyanna pramaditavyam. So.
Satyam dharmam chara swadhyaya.
Shikshavalli.
So in that connection, somebody told me that Rutam is more penetrating or more stronger than Satyam.
Satyam itself is strong, no? It is very difficult to be truthful always. Then?
I will try to give one the way I have understood it, Mahodaya. The word rhythm, R-Y-T-H-M, comes from the word Rita. What it means is, if you can cyclically keep on doing the same Satyam, that is what makes it Ruta. That is Kala Bhedaha Nasti Tatra. Tad Rita Bhavishyati. Tadartham Hariprasad Mahodaya Idarimeva Uktavan Kila, that makes it stronger and penetrate, which becomes a very deep for this one. That is in transactional world. But when we go to when we transcend the transactional world, Atmane Yada Gachanti, Tatra Satyameva Sarva. Tatra Rita Satyam Abhavat, that is also one, this one. Slokamayata Bhausyam Prajaye Yeti Satapo Tapyata, that comes. Tatra Tada Anupravishya Satyam Satyancha Rilencha, it all goes. There the Satya and Rita split up. That is where the split happens. Otherwise,
what is the dhatu here? Rhythm?
Ruta.
Rishi. Ta and halant. Rita.
So the word Ritu is also derived from Rita. Cyclical. One that goes cyclically. So that which repeats. For instance, to give another example, there are certain things which are nitya karma. Nitya karma karishyante janaha. Vandhanam, पंचभूतयज्ञ इत्यादि एतानि सर्वाणि ऋता भविष्यति. You may not, you may, nitya karma does not mean what is done daily, but what is done cyclically. Sandhyavandanam trikale, nityam trikale bhavishyati. Yadapi trikale bhavishyati, tatapi nitya karma eva. It's just called nitya karma. That is a rita. The satya is more of just at a point in time.
Mahoday, my name was Rita initially, but I don't know when and how it was wrongly spelled as Rita.
Evam va?
And the same Pandit came to my house when I was in 9th class. He was too old, 9th or 10th. Then he saw my books and then he told us why your name has changed here. Then I came to know it was Rita, Risha, Rishi and Ta and Dirgha. Rita. Then I came to know it was all in my certificates and all.
Then you should change your name back to that Rita. That only looks proper.
But I came to know very late, and all the certificates have Rita. See, in Hindi it is Ra. Rita. Hindi also was misspelled. So I just came to know and then I wanted to share.
You should change it back to Rita.
Even it becomes many times Rita. So I have accepted all.
See, this is the problem with English. That T is spelled as ta.
Yes.
Ta.
Yeah, but I have accepted all this. Rita or Rita.
Astu. Idanim vayam sarve Rita Mahodaye evam vadam.
Rita Mahodaye.
Rita Mahodaye eva vadashyama.
Okay.
Agre kaha vadati?
It was my turn.
Rita Mahodaye vadatu.
Dhanyawad Mahoday. Satatam prayatnam kuru iti shikshakah bodhayati.
Yogesh Mahodaya.
Tvam kimartham vidyalayam gacchasi. Right?
Astu. Idanim samayah api abhavat. Kaksham samapayamaha. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah. Sarve santu niramayah. Sarve bhadrani pashyantu. Ma kaschid dukkha bhag bhavet. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om.
Dhanyawadaha.
Dhanyawadaha.